Hey, what's up? My name is Ponig and I'm welcoming you to OVTV. If this is your first time to be here, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you miss nothing. Today I'm going to teach you on how to restore the language settings on your BlackBerry. If you have accidentally changed the language settings on your BlackBerry smartphone to one that is not making much sense to you, here's how to restore it. These are the steps. Number 1, go to home screen and click the options icon, or you can go over your folder. 2, click typing and input language. 3, look at the display language field to change the language on display. 4, look at the typing language field to change the language you're typing. And 5, look at the voice dialing language field to change the language for voice commands. And last, save your changes. Press the BlackBerry key, save. If you found this video helpful, you can tell us through comments. But also don't forget to share this video with your friends so they may get something helping. See you next time through other videos. Bye.